Have you ever cringed watching yourself on video? Maybe you've recorded a clip, play it back, and instantly think, oh, do I really sound like that? If that's you, I promise you're not alone. And you're not broken. You're just not trained to see yourself the way the world does. And today, I want to show you a gentler way to start feeling confident on camera, even if right now it feels completely unnatural. Hi, I'm Lorna, and I help women over 50 start their digital success stories. And I get it. Being on camera can feel vulnerable, but I want you to know something important. Confidence on camera isn't about being fearless, it's about retraining your brain to feel safe being seen. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. And we're doing it gently, one step at a time. We spend our whole lives seeing ourselves from the inside through our thoughts, our memories, and our emotions. So when we suddenly see ourselves from the outside through the detached lens of a camera, it feels unfamiliar, almost like meeting a stranger. That's because our brain isn't wired to recognize ourselves that way. You're used to the mirror, and that flips your image, not the camera, which shows us the way others see us. It's not a flaw, it's just our brain adjusting to a new perspective. So instead of fighting it, we're going to retrain it. Step one is what I call detaching from the mirror. When you look in a mirror, you see a version of yourself that's familiar, but it's filtered through our emotions, our expectations, our experiences, and our self judgment. On camera, that filter drops. It's raw, and that's why it feels uncomfortable. So, the first step isn't to fix how you look, it's to shift what you focus on. Instead of thinking, how do I look? Try asking, what's my message? When you focus on moving from self to service, your confidence starts to grow. Step two is small, safe exposures. Confidence doesn't come from pep talks, it comes from repetition. Start by recording short 10-second clips just for yourself. No posting, no pressure. Just watch, breathe, and notice. Your goal isn't to perform, it's to get comfortable with presence. Each time you do this, you're showing your brain, I'm safe to be seen. Over time, the discomfort fades, and what felt awkward at the beginning starts to feel normal. Step three is to reframe your point of view. When you watch your video back, don't zoom in on the flaws. Look for connection. Ask, would I listen to that person speaking? Because that's what your audience is doing. They're not counting the wrinkles or comparing angles. They're listening for heart and honesty. The more you practice seeing yourself with kindness, the more authentic confidence shines through. So let's recap. One, detach from the mirror. Focus on your message, not your reflection. Two, create small, safe exposure through short video clips. Train your brain gently through repetition. And three, reframe your point of view. Look for connection, not perfection. If this helped you today, I created a free mini workbook called How to Ditch Camera Fear in 3 Gentle Steps. It's a quick start guide that walks you through these steps with reflection prompts and tiny confidence building exercises you can start right away. You can grab it, it's free. The link is below in the description. Remember, you don't have to be fearless to show up. You just have to be willing to start and start gently because confidence isn't something you find, it's something you build one brave moment at a time. I'm Lorna. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.